You can't do that cold.
No, it's good.
Maybe now I can get it.
You have to get the 10. Oh.
So close. Here's the room. We're staying at the Pearle Hotel in Burlington. It's on the waterfront of Lake Ontario, and we got the lake view room. Here they have my favorite tea, and they also offered a snack. We're at the coffee shop. What are you gonna get, my babe?
I don't know. I'm thinking about a smoothie or hot chocolate.
They have smoothies?
Yeah. They have a tropical berry or green.
Oh, okay.
What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get the hot chocolate.
With extra whipped cream. Are you excited to be in Burlington?
Okay.
It's alright?
Yeah. Are you excited to be in Burlington?
Yeah. I had to take a train here to come get you. Is that all you want?
Well, if you want anything else, we can share. What else do they have? You can get the croissant.
Yeah, I could do that.
This is the hotel pool. It has a spa-like atmosphere. It's relaxing, and I have it all to myself. The water is so warm. You could send a note to a loved one, and here's the mailbox. I got the apple tart. Isn't this teddy bear super cute? It's on my shirt. It has sparkles. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a lot of like cute small businesses in this neighborhood. The Black Swan. I went there last night. We had some fish and chips. It was nice. They have live music on weekends after 9. I'm gonna check this place out. I got the almond croissant warmed up and a hot chocolate. The almond croissant is really good, but my favorite is the one with almonds and chocolate croissant. They're so good, but they're rare, so they don't always have them. But it's a nice cozy place, so I'm enjoying it. And the hot chocolate is really good too. You guys, hot chocolate with a spoon is so good. It's messy, but it's good. You can do hot chocolate without whipped cream. It's just not the same. The next stop is the Kelly's Bake Shop. Hello Spring. Hello. I got the sundae with strawberry sauce. We are at the Isabell restaurant, and we actually prefer coming here over the other restaurants in the city. It's so tender and fresh and warm. You guys are not gonna believe this, but it's actually snowing. It's gonna snow all day, so I decided to go to the mall. See you guys there. It's always like that every year. Just arrived at the mall. Doesn't look busy at all. That's what I like about this mall, actually. It's not that big, but it has everything. Yeah. Thanks. Oh, that's a nice dress. At Zara. And there's Mango. They actually have a really big Zara. Seems like they have the spring collection. This is nice and fancy. Yeah, the spring colors are in right now. That's cute. The spring collection. This jacket.
10 minutes?
The jean jacket. It looks super cute. I feel like with these spring dresses. Super cute spring dress. Look at me. These are super cute. I really like these. Cowgirl collection. Looks like it's in right now. So this is the dress that I got from Zara, and I can't wait to wear it. Good morning, everyone. We're at the Isabell restaurant. We're actually checking out today. The breakfast is fairly small, but it's really, really good. Rise and shine.